So people don't want to just see the specs on products. They want the story behind it. They want to know what it's going to do for them, which they've always wanted. They're just asking for it digitally.
Right,
And so
yeah.
they want to see all those pieces. Well, the content is that. The content is what tells the story. It explains the product. It explains your company. It explains who you are maybe sometimes and ties all that together.
Right.
But without the content, there is nowhere to
Right.
land and gather data in the right format too. So we talk about repurposing.
Yes, yeah.
Part of it's because we're lazy marketers and we want to get as much bang for our buck as
Right,
we
yeah.
can by one piece of content. But the other thing is everybody learns differently. There is that engineer that's going to sit there and watch an hour-long webinar.
Yeah.
Just so you know, that's not me. I go and sign up for a webinar.
Yeah.
I get the replay, and I hope to God that they have like a Cliff Notes version that I can read through in about 4 minutes.
Yeah, right,
And
yeah.
so there's that piece of it, and there's people that like to read and different ways that they like to consume their content. That's why video podcasts, audio podcasts, blogs.
Yeah.
You say which is the best, and the answer is yes.